here it is. One very, very large barn extension. It adds over a third more space than what we had. Huge overhang. That's a huge 12-foot enclosed area, 12 by 20. So that's a really nice space. Of course, we got to do some more work. We're going to put a gate on the front there, and the back, I think I'm just going to put some chicken wire like netting on the back side there. We got a door here, you'll see. But yeah, that's not bad. So all that lumber that was used in that, every bit of that was cull lumber. That didn't cost hardly anything. And the metal was $24 a sheet, and I used 14 of them to do, six. Gosh, how many did I use? Let me see here. Yeah, 14. 14 of them. 13 it actually turned out to be. We cut one in half. So 13 sheets at $24 a piece. I'll let you all do the math on that, but not bad for this much square footage enclosed. Come down here. I'll show you the inside of it. It might be a little dark here. It's about 7:45. It's been a long day, no doubt. But yeah, gonna have to get the little trim pieces for the top and the sides there, but this will work for now. And I'm gonna put a couple lights out here as well for nighttime. But yeah, so in the future, so right now we're going to use this to store excess lumber for other projects and feed and hay, probably firewood in the future as well. And so, but in the future, if I want to enclose that and use that for animals, well, I certainly could. It wouldn't take a whole lot more work or effort to get that done. Anyway, that's it. I'm Eric, the owner of Farpoint Farms. Hope you enjoyed this. I mean, it's kind of a short video, just showing you some of the progress we're making here as the world burns around us, trying to keep busy. This was stuff that was already planned. I bought all this equipment here, or all this wood and metal. That was all bought and paid for in November and December. So here we are in April, just getting around to doing it. These were actually summer projects that, well, now I have extra time, so might as well knock them out. Anyway, if you like the video, perhaps you will think about liking and subscribing, and I'll see you next time. Take care.
There's always something that needs a little fixing on Farpoint Farms. Freedom is mighty sweet.